Virtual reality in 60 seconds. Now, guys, what is VR? Virtual reality. You've heard this term a lot of times from Facebook, from Microsoft, from maybe Apple, Google, Amazon. Virtual reality. We are doing this on virtual reality. This is virtual reality. That is virtual reality. This virtual reality. Their virtual reality. American virtual reality. African virtual reality. What is this virtual reality in normal, simple human terms? Virtual reality basically means a virtual layer or an artificial layer that is put up on our reality. Now that may sound confusing, but let me help you with that. I hope most of you guys have seen this glasses. These glasses, these are the Oculus glasses. So folks, all the folks out there and all my students who are wearing glasses right now, take off your glasses, okay? And just look at it carefully. I'm analyzing the same. I'm analyzing my own glasses right now. And I don't see something special in them. But there is something special in these glasses. Once you wear these glasses, once you put up these glasses, a screen appears right in front of your eyes. And that's really close to your eyes. So you don't feel as if anything is going around you in the real world. A screen appears and you are suddenly transported to a virtual world. What type of virtual world? A virtual world where you are not the one who's living and breathing there. Rather, your avatar or your virtual reality representative is representing you and is doing all the stuff that you do in your real life. For example, he is dancing for you, he's singing for you, he's doing all the stuffs. And how is he doing that? He's doing that because you are doing that. You are controlling your avatar, your virtual reality representative in the VR. And that is what all the VR concept is all about. You have these glasses, you have these equipments that you wear in your hands and maybe in your arms and your elbows. And these different devices are used to monitor your functions, your positions, the way you behave, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you interact with people, the way you communicate, and all of this information is then transmitted to your virtual avatar, and your virtual avatar does the same thing in the virtual world. And that is what VR is all about. And that's it from VR, and I'll see you in the next class.